Hello and welcome to our video on the fascinating science of synesthesia. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to see colors when you hear music or taste flavors when you touch different textures? Well, for some people, this is a very real experience due to a neurological condition called synesthesia. In this video, we'll explore what synesthesia is, how it works in the brain, and what it's like for people who experience it. What is synesthesia? Synesthesia is a neurological condition in which stimulation of one sensory pathway leads to automatic, involuntary experiences in another sensory pathway. For example, a person with synesthesia might see colors when they hear music or taste flavors when they touch different textures. It's estimated that about 4% of the population has some form of synesthesia. How does synesthesia work in the brain? The exact mechanisms behind synesthesia are still not fully understood, but research has provided some clues. Studies have shown that people with synesthesia have increased connectivity between different brain regions, and that there are differences in the way their brains process information. For example, when a person with synesthesia sees a letter, the visual cortex is activated as it would be for anyone else. But then it also activates areas of the brain associated with color perception. Types of synesthesia. There are many different forms of synesthesia, with different sensory pathways involved. Some common forms include grapheme color synesthesia, seeing colors in letters or numbers. Chromesthesia, seeing colors in music. Olfactory tactile synesthesia, feeling textures when smelling odors. Gustatory olfactory synesthesia, tasting flavors when smelling odors. What's it like to have synesthesia? For people with synesthesia, their experiences are often automatic and consistent. For example, they may always see the color blue when they hear a certain note in music. This can be a unique and often positive experience for them, but it can also be overwhelming or distracting in certain situations. Cultural and artistic implications. Synesthesia has also had cultural and artistic implications throughout history. Many famous artists and musicians are known to have had synesthesia, including Vasily Kandinsky, who saw colors in music and used this inspiration to create his abstract paintings. Duke Ellington, who reportedly saw colors and sounds and used this in his compositions. In conclusion, synesthesia is a fascinating neurological condition that provides insight into the complex workings of the brain. By exploring the science behind synesthesia, we can gain a better understanding of how our brains process sensory information and how this can vary from person to person. Thank you for watching our video on the science of synesthesia.